Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to learn what an Instagram handle is, so let's get started. The first thing you need to do is go to a profile. Let's say, I'm going to check out Shades Junk's profile. At the very top, you'll see Shades Dark, all lowercase with no spaces. Right below the profile, you can see their full name, Shades Young Artist, and their Instagram handle is displayed at the very top. That is basically their username on Instagram. If I tap on my own profile and go to Edit Profile, you'll see my username. This is my Instagram handle. It's the same as your username, just on Instagram. Sometimes people refer to it as their handle. So that's all for this video. One thing to remember is that the name you see at the top of any profile is simply their Instagram handle, which is essentially their username or user ID on Instagram. I hope this video was really helpful for you. If you found it useful, make sure to share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.